Hello children, so today we are going to start example 6 NCERT sum. AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF and CD is parallel to EF. From this what did we understand? If this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this, that means AB is also parallel to EF. So we can write down that AB is also parallel to EF. If BEF is 55 degree, BEF, that means this is 55 degree, find the values of X, Y and Z. So children, this is your diagram in textbook. So this looks little confusing. So what I have done, I have turned the textbook like this and drawn like this diagram in this way, so that the sum becomes easy for you. So take your textbook, put it this way and then read the sum. So now if you see children, here this is parallel to this. Now I have already told you, if these two lines are parallel, then this is the transversal children. Okay, we are not talking about this, only see these two lines. Okay, so this is the transversal and these both are in the right hand side of the transversal. So both are, this 55 is also inside and Y is also inside and both are in the right side. So what do we call such angles? Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Here it is right side of the transversal and they are supplementary. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. That means their sum is 180 degree. That means 55 plus Y will be 180. So 55 plus Y is 180. The reason is given here. So keep Y here. Transfer 55, you will get Y. So Y is 125 degree. You have got Y. Next. Now if you see, leave this line and you see this and this line. They are also parallel. It is given in the question. So this line is parallel to this line. And I already told you in the previous sum how to identify corresponding angles. They always form the same pattern. Now if you see Y and X, okay, now this is the transversal and these two lines are parallel. So Y and X both are in the right hand side, both are above the line. So corresponding angles are equal. So if Y is 125 degree, then X also will be 125 degree. So you have found out what is X. Now let us go to the Z part. Suppose children, now I am erasing this line, right? Don't want this line. We just look at this. Here they have given us one information that EA is perpendicular to AB. That means this EA is perpendicular to AB. That means this is what degree children? 90. Perpendicular means straight, 90 degree it forms. And these two are parallel, because we understood if this is parallel to this is parallel to this. That means this is parallel to this line. So these two lines are parallel. Now what? And this is the transversal. This is one parallel line. This is the second parallel line and EA is the transversal. So on the right side of the transversal, angle E plus angle A are interior angles, right? And just now we heard that interior angles are supplementary. That means this full plus this full should be equal to 180. In that, A is already 90. So out of 180, this is already 90. That means this angle E also should be 90 degree. But angle E is made up of two angles. What is that angle? FEB. FEB and AEB. So it is made up of FEB plus AEB. Right? These two angles together make 90 degree. And we know FEB is already 55. So out of 90, if this is 55, then what will be this children? Right, you have to just find out. So you should write 90 minus 55 is only equal to Z degree. Hope you understood. This full plus this full is 180 degree. Interior angles are supplementary. And if this is 90, so out of 180, angle A is 90, is gone. So only angle E is 90 degree. But angle E is made up of two angles, 55 degree plus Z degree. So 55 plus Z gives you 90. So keeping Z here and bringing 55 here, it will become 90 minus 55. So your answer will be 35 degree. Hope you understood this sum, children.